Journal of Peace Research, especially after the Karabakh War. For example, for Azerbaijan, there's a huge interest for Azerbaijan. So the Journal of Peace Research, Journal of Politics, Geopolitics, Journal of Conflict Resolution. It's good points to publish over there. Then we can think about South European society and politics could be good perspective for me. You see that? I'm just going already down. Post-Soviet affairs considered as the best journal in area studies about the post-Soviet kind of territories. What I can say else, you see that I'm just going down, so you can just see that there is a what kind of a journal exists and where you can publish, for example, problems of post-communism. Right now, for example, my article, I sent it, they revised it and sent back. They told me go and revise it and we'll publish. So you see that it's a number 87 place. So again, I'm an associate professor and I'm published in 87th place. Again, it's nothing wrong. So next time I would love to just publish somewhere up over. So for example, I'm thinking about political geography and it will be huge kind of the jump for me if I just get published over here. So political geography. So I hope to get over there. But so far, for example, if talking about myself, so it's 80, which one? Where is this? 87, I guess. Problems of post-communism, yes. Then there's a journal, it's like a survival, not bad journal. So this is a kind of the journals that we are discussing. It's a political communication number, and this one are top 10 journals, or top 100, 181 type of the journals. And it's a purely in political science. So if we decide to make, let's say, international relations, then there's a number. Can you see it right now? International security, international organization.
Yes.
Foreign affairs, international affairs. So this is
exactly.
the best. Sorry?
Yes, we do see.
Okay. So this is the journals that purely in international relations. So you see this? It's a 95 journals located in international relations. If we decide to go for, I don't know, what area you are interested, guys, can somebody tell me areas of your interest? Someone? Anyone?
Diplomacy, one.
Well, there's no such thing. No, there's no such thing as there's no kind of this diplomacy. It's mostly about international relations or political science. There's no as diplomacy. So it could be social sciences. It could be anything else. So thinking about what to do afterwards. So once you find out that journal that you think that it's possible to get published over there, then I would advise you to go to the website of this journal. Try to write to the editor or editorial board. Maybe you know someone from editorial board. Maybe there will be someone who is from your academia or from the people who just are working with you. Write them. Try to understand that they are what their interest is about, and tell them about the idea that you have the paper that you want to publish. And in 90% of the time, they will actually tell you that they're really interested in your paper. Because they will never say, oh, we're not interested. They just simply say, okay, this paper is good, but could you just write in different direction? That's what they can give you. They will never tell you this is a wrong or this is a right. They will never tell you whether your paper is appropriate or not appropriate. This is what is most important things in the process. So once you just get some kind of the connections, my advice would be starting writing paper and get back and forth with this some kind of people who is in editorial board. In order to find certain type of the researchers or get in touch with them or know them, I guess you know about such kind of the resources as academia.edu, although it's a paid right now, it's not very effective. ResearchGate, it's one of the greatest resources for the PhDs or for the people who would love to share their research or just to share their ideas and just to get some understanding of what's going on in the field. So my advice would be go open an account on ResearchGate and try to get connections with your peers or your people who will be studying or who is just writing on this topic. And once you get in touch with them, it will be good point to just get relations with them. So ResearchGate is a great resource for understanding of how to get connected with that. That's pretty much it.